Good morning, setters. As always, I'm here to provide my market update. So yesterday, one of my members asked me why the dollar yen trade didn't work out. I will explain that more in detail. First and foremost, I want to show you the trade that I'm in, S&P 500. Yesterday, I mentioned if it stay above this 4,080 area, made a base, I will take it long. So I did. I'm still long. I'm already protected my entry. You can see my stop loss is here, so little bit of risk on the table. Actually nothing, because yesterday I already kind of took some profit, so there's zero risk on the table. I do see price at least going to test this area first, so my first profit will be there, and then maybe and then I'll manage it accordingly. I have a second target on that as well. One thing you need to understand, I got in here where a pullback happened and it stopped. So yesterday I referred a train's moving and stop. I only get in when it's potentially stopping in the next potential higher low. All right. So I will not buy when it's moving up because I need the pullback. So arguable, if you want to be aggressive in here today, the daily pivot is not too bad, but I'm already in, so I'm not gonna chase it. All right. So moving on to down, you can see correlations there. Yesterday I said if we found support at the 32,600, take it long. So I took the S&P long. Another reason for the long is Nasdaq. No, sorry, the Nikkei in Japan is breaking out the trend line. Potentially we may see a push to R2 anyway, monthly R2. We shall see. Okay, going to go to the Forex market. Let's start off with the dollar first. The reason why I said I don't want to buy the dollar is you can see it's already testing the trend line and monthly pivot. Yeah, reversal by yesterday. So this is very strong. This is very weak. We could see it test the bottom again, 101 area. That will cause an impact if you want to buy the dollar yen, because if dollar index is at resistance, then there's only so much room it can grow from the dollar yen. So that's one of the reasons may not benefited the trade from the members yesterday. I'm already in a trade from Kiwi. I mentioned yesterday, Kiwi 4 hour still in trend. All right, I've got the Fibonacci. So nice pullback around this area, excellent pullback in here. Now, how did I get in this trade? It's a bit more experience on that. I used a retest on using Fibonacci and support resistance level. So the blue box, I like this area, a lot of interaction, and then you can see I pop a Fib retracement here. So around 50, between 50 to 61.8%. I just set the order last night and then woke up in the morning, I'm already in the trade. So stop loss is behind the swing low. Let me draw that for you right here. So, you know, price is still okay. If you guys like to get in now and put a stop loss there, up to you, at your own risk, at your own reward, because, you know, if it's not the way that you trade, don't just blindly follow me, because I do have losing trade as well. So my first target is up here, good risk to reward. So you can see it's 1,600 per trade. This is 3 to 1. And then I have another one a little bit higher. So that's, let us see how it develops on that. Euro, tomorrow ECB, so I'm not really eager. So let's the dust settle first. If it breaks higher, come back for a retest tomorrow during the news, maybe I will take it long. But I need to protect my Kiwi trade first. So the level that you need to look at is 107.10, something like that. Aussie is okay. I like this level at the moment. They come back to retest in this demand zone. So Bob is nice, but I didn't like this whistle here. So that's why I chose Kiwi over that. Now I'm going to talk about the dollar yen trade. Let's do a daily first. Last week I said when it breaks this trend line, I want to take a retest, but I missed it. So I didn't chase afterward. That was the original plan in this blue box area 127.50. It didn't trigger. I set my limit order on the 50 EMA. It touched the 20 and then off it went. So you can see when it breaks, I like to see a pullback. This is where the train stop is potentially. And then the next train stop is here. Yeah, could have taken the breakout on Friday, but I wasn't too eager because, you know, I just, you know, don't like trading in the middle of the trend. I like to get in early. That's just personal preference. Could have chased that and, you know, still would be in the trade, but fine to miss it. However, yesterday, I think the members got in at 123.50 area. And then must have got kicked out in here and it went. This is something that you need to be aware. Although you may enter in hourly or under, you really need to have a look at the 4 hour. It requires some kind of pullback. Yeah, see? Up, pull back, up, and pull back, at least to the 20. But pay attention, this has been going on for so long. Been a while. The longer it goes into the trend, the less probability of winning. So I would suggest trying to get in earlier next time with a pullback. Do not get in a trade in here. Get in a trade when it's pulling back to what I refer to a train station and then take it long. So that's what my suggestion would be. As always, if you guys have any question, do drop me a message. Otherwise, I'll see you guys tomorrow, 2 p.m. UK time for the live trading US session. Thank you.